She's calling you. She wants beside her.
Ulitin natin.
Take two.
One more, I want the happiest and the energetic one. One more time. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy Alright, but before they go, get us out. Happy birthday, Robert, in 3, 2, 1.
Happy birthday, Robin!
Alright. You may now, mommy and Daniel, of course, so well, blow your candle. Blow, blow. Kaya tumulong si best friend Jollibee. Alright! Palakpakan natin once again. Once again. This is the last request. Get a shot one more time. And happy birthday, Robel. 3, 2, 1.
Happy birthday, Robin!
Alright. Okay, now one this time. I will ask a birthday wish, of course. Uunahin ko, of course, si Mami Arbel po.
Mami.
Ito po sa akin.
Sige. Nag-alawan pa tayo.
Robel, happy birthday. Sana lumaki ka na mabait, God-fearing, at syempre laging healthy at safe. Thank you for giving us all the happiness here in the world. And we love you so much. And hope sana lagi kang happy kapag kasama si mommy at daddy. Love you!
Yes, love you. Hindi naman.
Ayan, si Daddy
Si Daddy.
Si Daddy.
Happy birthday.
Umiyak na.
Uy, bakit
Wish ko
tanggol?
lang kay Robel ay always good health at sana lumaki ka matalino
Ang
at
harap ni
mabait na
Daddy.
bata. I love you.
Daddy Robert, English.
English. English.
Alright, thank you so much, Mommy and Daddy. This time, hindi lamang po si Mommy and Daddy ang may birthday wish, of course, sa ating birthday celebrant, Best Friend Jollibee. Yes po, Best Friend Jollibee, of course. Yes po, ikaw po ba ay may sasabihin? What will you say about your birthday celebrant this afternoon? Oo, let me think first daw, sabi ni Best Friend Jollibee. Okay, this time, help us to count with Best Friend Jollibee. Okay, on my cue, 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, apat. Where's the other one, Best Friend Jollibee? Maybe you left at the immigration, Best Friend Jollibee, before you go here. Wala dyan! Wala dyan, Best Friend. Where is it? Oh, one more time, Nata. Help us. Count, okay. 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, apat lang talaga, Best Friend. The bar goes to